heart of America's Farm Belt, a massive operation is waking up.
Every single day, millions of pounds of fresh fruit are harvested and moved.
But how do these fruits get from the tree to your table without a single bruise?
Today, we take you inside the most advanced fruit packing factories in the USA.
From high-tech sanitization to laser-guided sorting, the scale is mind-blowing.
This is a world where speed meets precision at an industrial scale.
Our journey begins at the massive receiving docks of California. Hydraulic lift tilting a massive bin of apples into a water tank. Here, the first step is a gentle landing into a temperature-controlled flume.
It's a delicate balance of massive power and extreme care.
Every second counts when you're processing thousands of units per minute. Now, the real high-tech magic is about to begin. Before they can be packed, every fruit must undergo a deep sanitization. High-pressure mist nozzles spraying a food-safe wax coating. Special food-safe coatings are applied to keep the fruit fresh for weeks. These rotating brushes ensure that every inch of the surface is spotless.
Quality control starts here, with constant monitoring of water pH levels.
Not just the fruit, but the crates themselves are sterilized after every use.
This high-speed drying process prevents any moisture-related decay.
Everything is tracked. Every single piece of fruit now has a digital ID.
The volume is staggering, but the precision remains absolute. Welcome to the brain of the facility, the AI sorting zone.
These rotating brushes ensure that every inch of the surface is spotless. Inside this chamber, the fruit's secret flaws are about to be revealed. The system creates a 3D model of every fruit to check for any hidden defects.
Even a tiny scratch, invisible to the human eye, is flagged by the computer. Now, the sorting begins. This is where the machine makes its decision.
Now, the sorting begins. This is where the machine makes its decision.
Sorting is finished. Now, it's time for the most precise part of the factory.
The efficiency here is the backbone of the American fruit supply chain.
In the US, packing laws are strict. Every bag must contain the exact weight promised.
This combinational weighing technology reduces product giveaway to almost zero.
With the weight confirmed, the fruit is finally ready to be dressed for the market. A thermal printer generating a unique barcode for each batch. This barcode allows the fruit to be traced all the way back to the specific tree.
Thousands of bags are loaded into the machines every hour.
The journey from the tree is almost complete.
Automated bagging machines can process over 60 bags every single minute.
This high-speed sealing ensures the fruit remains secure during transit. Even the most fragile fruits are handled with automated gentleness.
Full traceability means every box can be tracked back to its harvest time.
Palletizing robots work 24/7, stacking heavy loads with mathematical accuracy. Once stacked, pallets are wrapped tightly to ensure stability on the road.
This is the result of hours of high-tech processing and labor. Precision sensors ensure that no box leaves the line half empty. Even the most fragile fruits are handled with automated gentleness. Rapid cooling begins the moment the fruit is sealed in its box.
Driverless vehicles are now common in America's most advanced factories.
From here, these fruits will travel thousands of miles across the country.
The scale is massive, but the goal is simple: total freshness.
It's a marvel of modern engineering that never seems to stop.
Next, the fruit must enter the most critical stage, the cold chain.
Step into the giant refrigerators, where temperatures are kept at a steady 34 degrees.
Maintaining the cold chain is vital to stopping the ripening process.
Every single degree matters when it comes to the shelf life of fresh produce.
The workers here operate in freezing conditions to keep America fed.
These drivers will travel day and night to reach cities across North America.
From California to Maine, the logistics network is incredibly efficient.
Logistics managers track every shipment to ensure on-time delivery.
The journey from the orchard to the store can take less than 48 hours.
All right, hold it right there.
We'll start with the pallets on the left.
Here, the pallets are broken down into smaller store orders.
Local delivery vans take over for the final mile of the journey.
The transformation from field to shelf is finally complete.
What was in a factory yesterday is in your hand today.
To crucifix. It's a miracle of modern engineering and hard work.
Combining AI, robotics, and agriculture to feed millions.
Next time you enjoy a piece of fruit, remember this
journey.
Next time you enjoy a piece of fruit, remember this
journey.
Thank you for joining us inside this incredible facility.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing factory tours.
See you in the next episode of Factory Insights.
But the industry isn't stopping here. The future is even more automated.
We are now testing drones that can pick fruit directly from the trees.
These drones use AI to identify the exact moment of perfect ripeness. Back in the factory, solar-powered systems are becoming the standard.
Reducing the carbon footprint is now a major goal for U.S. producers.
Water recycling plants inside the factory are now 98% efficient.